You understand what I mean? Right. You can't monetize, but you can, big up your Instagram or your TikTok. Say, hey, hey, be going TikTok live every Wednesdays. Here's my mix. Here's a sample of my mix. Right? You just do a 20, 30 minutes mix. Yeah, so do that, alright? Do that. So yep. So that's my thing for going on YouTube, right? So make sure, like, share, subscribe to the channel. You understand what I mean? And add me on TikTok and TikTok and Instagram, DJ Rickflow. Dreamers past the taking over. Taking over the world. Anyway, peace out.